The national bird of New Zealand, the kiwi, is a world-recognized symbol being terrorized by human-introduced predators. Dogs and humans have together tortured these majestic birds through methods such as sport hunts and predation. The dogs were introduced to New Zealand by humans. The humans are the ones hunting these birds for recreational purposes. We are responsible. We must do something to help. Save the kiwi. Save the nation.
Only 5% of these birds survive their first few weeks. And even if they survive, they're exposed to many unnatural predators, such as dogs. Sponsor Kiwi Bird for $30 and Kiwi Nation will send you a picture of your bird as well as a Kiwi Anatomy shirt. On Stewart Island, Kiwi Nation is trying to raise enough money to build a conservatory where kiwis will be taken care of. Kiwi Nation needs your help.
New Zealand virtues are many. The people, the land. Its beauty lies in nature. The rolling hills, the rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. The kiwi bird is a part of that beauty. It is a part of New Zealand, a part of the people. And so, just like you would not burn your forests and slaughter your people, do not destroy the kiwi. For if you do, you destroy a part of New Zealand. You destroy a part of yourself. Help protect the kiwi. Help protect the nation.